Ciao amanti! Welcome to the beautiful Bella Sun Luci kitchen. We're here to celebrate La Festa di San Valentino. Happy St. Valentine's Day. We're going to cook up a wonderful romantic recipe by Chef LaPointe Hill, which is a Southwest spice up your life, shrimp dish with orzo pasta and a sun-dried tomato pesto. Let's move over here and start to make the pesto, phase one of the recipe. So we're going to add our sun-dried tomatoes. This is a Southwest pesto, cilantro, garlic, okay, sun-dried tomato oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, which we've separated out, and we have some that we'll use for the shrimp and some for the orzo pasta. Fresh lime juice, yum, Southwest. And let's get the food processor going. All right, so we're gonna add the salt and pepper now to finish this Southwest lime and cilantro sun-dried tomato pesto. Here we go. And we're gonna get it to a smooth consistency, maybe 1 minute. Lime, cilantro, and sun-dried tomato flavor is coming through. Now we're ready for the next phase, which is to add the orzo pasta to our boiling water. Always stir well to make sure your pasta doesn't stick in boiling water, and the more water you use, the better. We're gonna cook that for 9 minutes. We're going to season the shrimp with our cumin and red chili flakes mixture. It includes salt and pepper. And let's stir that up to get it evenly distributed. And to the pan, we're going to add some of the sun-dried tomato oil and some butter to help brown the shrimp. So there's your oil. We'll save a little bit to make sure the orzo doesn't stick together for later. Let's add the butter and let that come together. Okay, so the oil's hot and the butter's melted. Now let's put the shrimp into the hot pan. And we're gonna cook these, I think, 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're just cooked. Okay, let's stir it up. Starting to see some color on the shrimp. Very nice. We have 3 minutes left for the orzo, at which time the shrimp will be cooked, and then we can put everything together. Sound good? Allora, so we've added the orzo, strained it out, and added it to our serving dish. Now we're gonna mix in the pesto, and I'm gonna add, just to make sure that the pasta doesn't stick, a little bit of this sun-dried tomato oil, and for a little extra flavor. So, we have the pasta, the pesto. Now we're gonna add our shrimp with all of its juices. Okay, like so. Smells wonderful. I can smell the lime and the cilantro. Now we're gonna garnish with our either cotija cheese or our feta. In this case, it's feta, which the recipe calls for. We've added our feta as the garnish. Here's some cilantro and a little bit of lime for color. Congratulations, Chef LaPointe Hill. Thank you for your wonderful recipe. Please, everyone, enter our recipe contest at bellasunluci.com. Happy St. Valentine's Day. Arrivederci. Buon appetito.